In this video, I will tell you how to create Amazon link associate account you have already. So first log in Google, and after that, if you here see but not showing Amazon associate link copy. So next step, click and then associate login password you need, and so my login associate account, and go to three dot, click. After that, toolbar, click, go to site setting. uh, After that, click learn more. Okay, learn more, and display status don't show pop up, site stripped off, and this is enable, and close the tab. Refresh Amazon associate. You can see here available get link. So copy Amazon affiliate link. Short full you choose according you. You can see this product commission 3.5. 3.5 commission get you 1 lakh above. If you my information like, subscribe my channel.